How to name your dropshipping e-commerce store or dropshipping store. Uh, there's a way you're going to name your dropshipping e-commerce store that's going to stand out and more appealing and increase the click-through rate and make users or viewers understand the nature of the store or what you're selling. Okay, now let's look at how we're going to name our e-commerce store or dropshipping store. Firstly, you must register your dropshipping business or e-commerce business with the name of your store. What do we mean? Uh, it means that if you are using or selling a beauty product, targeting beauty influencers, or using Google Ads or YouTube Ads or TikTok Ads, or targeting TikTok influencers, you have to name your store or targeting Twitter influencers. You have to name your store based on the marketing strategy, and you have to register your store based on the name of your store. Like example, if you are selling a beauty product and we are targeting facial skin hacks, that is a facial product, a product that solves skin problem. You can name it something like facial skin hacks, that is if you see available.com, or facial skin hacks dot store. And if you are going to use facial skin hacks, you must register the business with such name. Depending on how your store is, if you say generic store like Amazon.com, where they sell different products, that is different. You're registering the business to sell numerous merchandise. But if you are going to just say one product store, uh, like a facial skincare product, then you have to name your dropshipping store based on that particular store name. Okay, and you have to register your business as LLC or LTD. Okay. Furthermore, the store extension as our 2022 going further should end with .com or .store. .com it builds trust with the padlock icon, that is SSL certificate on your site, and the store is also acceptable as our 2022 going further. Furthermore, you name your store based on your marketing strategy or the product results or the type of shipping store. What do you mean? Name your store based on marketing strategy. If your product is targeting Twitter influencers, the marketing strategy adopted in Twitter, the marketing strategy used to target Twitter users is different from marketing strategy used to target TikTok users. Different from marketing strategy used to target Instagram users. So if you want to name your dropshipping store targeting a particular marketing strategy, you have to name it based on name your store to appeal to such users. Example, the marketing strategy in Twitter is more of a relationship goals. So if you're going to, and the products you're going to send the influencers there are user generated content, raw content. So if you want to name your store, it shouldn't look salesy. If you are selling a gift item called gift do well in Twitter, you can name it mylove.com or I love you more or increase your love .com, increase your love .store. In that way, it appeals more to Twitter users. And if you can also name your store based on the product results or the type of shipping store. What do you mean? Product results, that is based on the problem that is based on the solution the product gives to the users. Example, look at this product. If you want to name your store based on the results, look at it can be used for full body hair removal. So you can name your store uh, body hair remover.com or body hair remover.store or hair remover.com or hair remover.store. Uh, but you have to check if the domain name is available. Let's go to domain search and check for name variations for such store. Let's use hair remover, hair remover, hair remover, search to see different. Can see abacus hair remover able, uh, hair remover absolute, and different name variation. Um, above hair remover, blitz hair remover. Uh, you can also name your store best hair remover. You can also say, let's say best hair remover. Let's look for variation. You can still see different variation, best hair remover accent. Now let's check on Namecheap to see if such name is available. Let's use hair remover removerhacks.com. Let's check if it's available. As you can see, the domain name is available, hairremoverhacks.com, 8.98 per year. The reason why we named or we suggested this name for your e-commerce store is because of we are using example, if you decide to use Twitter influencer, but this product exactly is not targeted to Twitter influencer. If you want to use this product targeted to Twitter influencers, you have to send the product to a particular Twitter user, so the minimum of 3,000 followers, and the marketing tactics used in Twitter is different from marketing tactics using Instagram. That is, once you send this product to the Twitter influencer, she's going to make do a video of this product in action, maybe saying laugh out loud, this is what my lover gave me laugh out loud, this is what my lover gave me this weekend. I'm enjoying the product. As you can see, or I'm enjoying what my lover gave me this weekend. As you can see, it's not salesy. Such quote or text or headline on our Twitter page doesn't add sales, and she can put the link on our thread. Okay, so that is how you name your dropshipping store. You have to name it based on the marketing strategy. First, you have to register your dropshipping business on e-commerce business with L6 as LLC or LTD. Secondly, you have to name the dropshipping business. That is a generic name if you are selling numerous products. If it's a one product store, you have to name based on the marketing strategy or the results or the type of store. Name it based on the product results or the marketing strategy that we explained. And in that way, it increases conversion and click-through rate on your store.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.